Hello everybody, today we will learn how to add Apache Tomcat Server. So to start this, what we can do, we can start it with from Windows, go to Windows and go to a show view menu. In that one, you can click on the servers. And when you have clicked, now this has appeared. After this, you can click on this. And once you have clicked, you will get a window where you will be defining a new server. So new server, which one we will be picking up? We are picking right now our server type as Apache Tomcat. Apache Tomcat has got so many versions. In that one, right now I'll be picking out this version. And now, because this version has been picked up, so you need driver of this one. So what you can do here, it is saying server's host name is localhost, server name is this, and server runtime environment. For runtime environment, it will be, sometimes it will be, if it is, you are doing it first time, it may be blank. So you can go to add, and after this, nothing will be coming up here. Go here, click on the browse, and when you have clicked on the browse, first of all, you need to go on the internet, type out there the Apache Tomcat for Windows. Download Apache Tomcat for Windows. When you will click on that, you will get a driver list and pick out this one or whichever you want. I have gone with this one. So when I have gone this one, I will extract it and this window will come up. And now in this one, I will select this window. See, it is saying which folder you want to. I will pick out this folder. So when I have picked out this folder, select this, and now this folder has been picked up, and after this I will finish it. And once I have finished it and it has come up here, then I can go to next. When I have gone to next, it is asking if you want to run any project. Otherwise I will just finish it. But right now I have got this project. You can just finish it. If you want, you can just finish it. And now there is no server working right now. So you need to start it. So go here and start your server. So now your server is started. So this is your first step when you are working with the Java dynamic project. So this is the first step. Now in the next video we will be creating a dynamic project and then we will use the serverware. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.